Welcome everyone. In today's fast-paced world, maintaining concentration is quite difficult. And to enhance your concentration, there is one ancient yogic practice known as Trataka. Trataka is a Sanskrit word, meaning of which is to gaze steadily. This is also known as candle gaze meditation. Candle gaze meditation. So, what are the benefits? What is the purpose of doing this practice, Trataka? First is to enhance your concentration. Next is to achieve the inner awareness. Okay, to achieve the state of inner awareness, this practice is done. Again, to calm the mind, to calm your mind, you can do such practice. So, what is the name of the practice? Name is Trataka. So, there are some physical benefits, there are mental benefits. Again, this works as a cleansing process of your body, known as Shat Karmas, means purifying processes. Okay, purifying processes in Sanskrit is known as Sat Karmas. So it is known as, this Trataka practice is known as one of the 6 Satkarmas, means one of the 6 purifying processes of your body. What are the physical benefits? It improves your eyesight, it reduces your strain, means eye strain. It reduces your eye strain and improves your eyesight. So these are the physical benefits. What are the mental benefits? Mental benefits are for your mind clarity, to improve to achieve the state of inner awareness, to calm your mind, to enhance your focus or to enhance your concentration. You can do such practice. So these are the mental benefits. That's why this practice is done. But so what is done actually? In this practice, what you need to do? You need to focus on a single point or a small object steadily for a long time, or as long as you can do comfortably. First of all, one thing I should mention here in this regard, that if you have any problem with your eyes, such as epilepsy or any other things, then in that case you must consult a healthcare professional, means you must consult a doctor before starting this session, before starting this practice. If you have any problem with your eyes, because while doing this practice you should not blink or move your eyes. So what you need to do actually in this practice, you just, first of all, you just find a quiet place, means the place where there is no noise, where there is no disturbance. You should not get disturbed anyway while doing this practice. So for that purpose you find a quiet place, and in that place light should not be so bright. Okay, dim light should be available there. You should sit comfortably with your spine straight. Okay, with your spine straight. And you can take anything, but if you take a candle, then that is better. That is actually recommended. A candle flame is required, so you need to light the candle. Candle flame is required. And keep the candle from your eyes. First, keep the candle at your eye level, okay? And the distance should be comfortable, that means range is 2 to 3 feet, right? And now, first, you should not allow any thoughts in your mind, okay? Don't think anything while doing such practice. So, and now you gaze your eyes on the center of the flame of the candle. Okay, while doing this practice, don't blink your eyes, don't even move your eyes. But if you are facing any problem in your eyes, in that case you may close your eyes. And while you are closing your eyes, in that case you just observe the candle's flame in your mind. Okay, so this is the way you should practice Trataka. And if your eyes water, then let it happen. This works as a cleansing process. Okay, but if you feel uncomfortable, such as headaches, dizziness, or any other health problem, while doing this practice, you should immediately close this practice. Stop this practice, okay? You should immediately stop this practice. You should take rest at that time by closing your eyes and try to observe the image of the candle's flame or the small object, whatever you are using during your practice. Okay, and you should practice daily for 5 to 10 minutes. And when you are starting this practice, so in the very beginning, you start with a small duration. Then gradually you may increase the duration of the practice. And if you do such practice, it is recommended that you should start this practice, means you should learn how to practice this technique actually. In that case, you should consult a yoga teacher. Okay, this is recommended. You can learn from YouTube also, YouTube or any social media. Okay, but if you really get a yoga teacher for this, then that will be much better for you. So there are so many benefits, and all these things are supported by science. And that's why I am making this video and posting on this channel, Quaint Cosmos. Okay, this is highly supported by science. And this is what? This is ancient yoga practice, yogic practice. Ancient. Though this is ancient, but this is fully supported by science. So there are so many benefits. Physical benefits are there, mental benefits are there. Again, this works as one of the 6 satkarmas. Satkarmas. Okay, means purifying processes. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic. Okay, so this is the end of this video. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.